Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the newest and fastest way to remove specific shows or movies from your Netflix viewing history. So first thing first, you need to do it on browser, whether it's on your mobile or on computer like this. So open the netflix.com on your browser, and then here you can just click on your photo profile at the top right corner. Go to the account settings, then you can just scroll down and click on manage profiles and choose which profile that you want to hide its watch history. For example, I'm going to go with this one right here. You can scroll down again and go to the viewing activity. So this is where your watch history are. You can just choose whether you want to only hide one just by clicking on this icon, or if you want to hide them all, you can scroll down again and there will be the options to hide all. Click on that and you can just click on yes, hide all my viewing activity, and just like that your watch history will be cleaned, and also your Netflix recommendations will be refreshed. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.